Generally, bedroom closets and clothing racks tend to accumulate numerous items, as they are designed to serve as storage solutions. Unfortunately, this disorganization can negatively affect many people's moods on a daily basis. Regardless of the time of day, having a well-organized bedroom closet is an attainable goal, and I'm here to help you make this task easier. More on that shortly. In this piece, I will present 10 DIY small bedroom closet ideas and clothing rack solutions that will assist you in tidying up your space while maximizing its potential. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button to keep the next video featured on your home tab. Number 10. Ladder Clothing Racks Project Idea. An open closet system allows for easy access to your belongings. With a ladder rack like this, you can quickly identify what to wear without spending time searching for items. This rack consists of 2 slim ladders joined together. Simply add some boards to store shoes and accessories, along with dowels to hang your dresses and shirts, and you're all set. For added stability, reinforcing the boards and dowels with screws or nails is a fantastic idea. 9. Use the door of your closet. When your closet can no longer accommodate additional items, utilizing its door can be an effective solution. First, categorize the items you wish to keep in your closet, then measure the door to select appropriate racks. Install them securely, ensuring they are firmly attached to the door to prevent damage to the hinges from heavy items. Maintain organization so that nothing falls out when you open the door, allowing you to transition smoothly to the next idea. Number 8. Cork Board Jewelry Holder Project Idea. Many women love to wear jewelry and accessories, but finding a storage solution for these items can be challenging. Storing them in a drawer often leads to tangles and confusion. This project offers a stylish solution. Start with a cork board, taping off the edges before painting them in a lighter color. Cut a stencil to fit the board, spray the back with adhesive, and stick it onto the board. After retaping the edges, paint the stencil with a darker cream. Once dry, remove the stencil. This charming piece can be installed on a closet door or wall, enhancing your room's decor. Number 7. A Poplar Dowel Clothing Rack Project Idea. This clothing rack is both simple and incredibly functional, providing a unique way to create an open storage solution. The best part is that it can be easily dismantled, perfect for relocating it as needed. You'll require 4 long poplar dowels and 1 short dowel. Drill holes at the top of each long dowel for proper height, then insert the short dowel through them. Wrap the dowels with leather cording for added support, and consider tying the lower parts as well to ensure the rack stays secure. Number 6. Rustic Hanging Rack Project Idea. If you're looking for a simple and quick hanging rack solution, this project is tailored for you. It's ideal for cramped spaces requiring minimal room. To create this rack, all you need is a sturdy branch or pipe and some confidence in your DIY skills. Wrap the branch with rope and secure it with glue from a glue gun. Using a pair of anchored hooks, hang it from the ceiling, and you'll have a stylish and practical hanging rack that adds a touch of charm to your room. Number 5. Fabric Hanging Shelves Project Idea. A remarkable way to organize your clothes is through this fabric shelving idea, offering a transparent look that is both practical and stylish. To create the shelves, you'll start by making a hanging strap. Stitch around the edges, then turn it right side out and press it down. Slip stitch the opening closed. Next, sew one side of Velcro to the end, flip it over, and sew the other side. Mark the center of the top fabric piece by measuring 1 centimeter from the center in both directions, and do the same for the hanging strap. Pin and sew 2 straight lines to secure the strap to the top pieces of the shelves. Create the top of the shelf by pressing the back edge of the top and inner shelf pieces together, sewing straight across the opposite side with right sides together. Flip the shelf right side out and press. Repeat these steps to create additional shelves. Finally, prepare the outer sides by pressing and flattening them, pinning the right sides to the tops of the inner parts. Stitch around the edges, leaving the bottom open. Turn right side out and repeat this process with the second outer piece, finishing by slip stitching the bottom of each outer piece to the shelf's base. 4. Turn your wall into a closet project idea. This innovative concept allows you to transform a wall into a unique closet. To achieve this, gather brushed chrome hooks and your favorite wall paint, ensuring they contrast nicely. Paint your wall and let it dry completely before attaching the hooks. Arrange them as you desire and finish the look with a mirror to elevate the aesthetic of your bedroom closet even further. Number 3. Add another clothes rod. Currently, there may be some unused space in your closet that you're unsure how to optimize. Consider adding another clothes rod. This addition will be particularly beneficial if you're looking to accommodate more items in your closet. To begin, install an S-hook or a carabiner and attach it to a chain. Secure this setup beneath your existing shelf, then add another rod by linking it under the first rod using a carabiner and chains, much like what is depicted in the accompanying image. Number 2. Complete your closet with tiered hangers. You may not realize just how useful a lightweight chain can be until you see it in action. This clever trick will allow you to maximize the clothing capacity of your bedroom closet. Simply hang the chain on the first hanger, then use the remaining links to add additional hangers below it. This method makes the most of vertical space while keeping your clothes organized and accessible. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with Number 1. Do something with your upper closet shelf. The upper shelf is often an underutilized area that can provide additional storage space. If your closet allows for it, consider placing bags or baskets on this shelf. To prevent items from toppling over, you can utilize shelf dividers. Not only will this keep your bags neatly organized, but it will also enable you to retrieve them easily without creating a mess. With these 10 DIY small bedroom closet ideas and clothing racks, you can significantly maximize your space. Feel free to select and adapt any of these ideas to better suit your specific needs. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.